So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to repost on TikTok and how to see your repost videos on your feed. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is your home page. You can see profile button at the corner of screen. Click on it. So this is your page. You can see this button after the private button. Here you can see all your reposted videos and you can click to repost the video. You can click on share button. Here you can see the option called repost. Tap on it. You can even write something. You can even mention someone. Now you can click on again on profile button, then repost button. So this is the same video you have just reposted. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.